Hello creators, welcome to my channel. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today we make wall decor mirror. For this, I use some artificial flowers. These are in pink color. Please don't take the real flowers. Take some artificial flowers as per your choice. I take some green leaf, pink color flowers and some of artificial cherries. Spray some golden paint on it. You can use some metallic colors also for this. I use ply for the base of the mirror and I paint it with blue color. Now let's make some seashells also. You can use a ready-made one also as per your choice. But for detail, I make some handmade seashells for you. My one seashell is made. Now I come to second seashell also. For this I use clay, molded clay. You can use also other clay also, which is air dry one. Here is my shell is ready. Now paint it with the white color. I also use orange acrylic colors. You should take acrylic colors. Firstly, I base with the white color. And then I take orange color on the sponge and then paint on the shell for different texture and effect. I made more seashells for my work, for my creativity. You can make more seashells or you can use the ready-made one. Now we arrange the artificial flowers which I have painted. I use according to my need, according to my creativity. Please tell me, do you like this art? Please give a big thumbs up to my channel. Now stick it with some Fevikwik. It's a final look of my product which I have made in this video. Hope you like it. Please tell me on tell me in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. I also stick my artificial or handmade seashells. It is stick well. Please subscribe my channel, give me more and more support. Those who have subscribed my channel, thank you for your support. Give me some suggestions. Please tell me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thanks for your support. Bye bye.